Hey everybody, welcome back to Hug House. Today, why don't we get that classic log cabin look with the Briarwood log cabin package. Could the Briarwood be a log home that you could see yourself living in full time? Or maybe to have as a recreational cabin in the summertime by the lake or in the woods somewhere? This Briarwood log home has an appealing and simple design and floor plan that could suit many different needs. With 2 bedrooms in the log home in the loft area, with sleeping space as well as great storage space, there's more than enough room to sleep up to 6 people comfortably. The bedrooms could fit a nice double bed or a queen-size bed in each of them. Then a futon or pull-out sofa bed could be added on the main floor living room for extra sleeping space. There's adequate space in the kitchen for cooking up all of the meals and a dining space to sit and enjoy meals together. There's only 1 bathroom in the home on the main level, but it's a nice size, so it would be fine to share between family members. This log cabin has a lovely patio in it as well, which makes for awesome lounging space and incredible views of the surrounding property. This could also be the perfect place to set up some patio furniture that could be used as an outdoor dining space. In the summer months, when the weather is hot, people want to spend as much time outside as possible anyhow, so this would be the perfect place to do that. Overall, the open concept of this log home floor plan would be suitable for a family or for a couple to use as a vacation property. It could also be wonderful as a starter home for a family, which is once a nice and simple design. For just the logs for this log home model, it would cost $35,300. The shell of this log home model would cost $57,550, and this is just for the bare bones of the home. For the complete package, which is the most popular option, it's $70,550 to $76,200 depending on the size you opt for. The complete log home packages from Coventry Log Homes include all of the pre-cut materials for the floor system, the pre-cut log walls, the windows, doors, as well as the roof system that comes with a metal roof. All of these materials are delivered in a package that comes straight to your land where your home will be built. All of the logs will be numbered and labeled according to how they will have to be assembled. In some of their log home packages, they use SIP panels which are already insulated and ready to be assembled. The log home packages also come with an instructional manual to make it easy to build this log home model yourself with the help from some other people. Contractors can also be hired on to build your log home instead if you would rather not build it yourself. The Briarwood log home is a part of Coventry Log Homes' cabin series of log building packages. The company also offers many different log home models in their recreational series, their craftsman series, the tradesman series, as well as the timber frame series. You can browse through an abundance of log structure floor plans, all a little different in their own way. You can also check out Coventry Log Homes' free planning guide on their website that covers everything a potential log home owner needs to know about the log home building process. Have a look around their website to learn some more about their amazing log homes and cabins. And if you like this video, don't forget to consider dropping us a like as it really helps this channel to grow. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe to our channel. We'll be featuring new homes every single day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.